Yan! I'm with my relatives. So, ang gwapa ng relatives ko, diba?
Hi.
Yan, ang aking vlogger na vlogger.
Vlogger from Capiz.
Vlogger.
And host of Today with Dali.
Host with Dali. She's here in Bradford, in my place. My hometown.
My gracious host here.
Let's go to the next adventure. It's eating time. Yes, it's on.
It's on, okay.
Let's see.
Change please. Change also please. Change please.
Okay. So eat all you can. Sila ang light. Ito.
So we're going to the next.
Yes. And now
We're going there.
of United States Kingdom. We collab with
Genji Vlog.
Genji Vlogs and with Dolores Buday 65 at Today with Dali.
Today with Dali.
Here in Bradford.
Please subscribe.
10 stars.
Like and share.
Follow.
And Malipad.
Thank you.